Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Name's Quincy here. If you're new here, guys, welcome. All right, so let me ask you guys, if you want to become a certified digital marketer and finally start making money online, but not sure where to start, let me ask you this. How would your life change if you could work from anywhere with just Wi-Fi and your skills? No boss, no degree, no commuting, just you and your laptop or your smartphone. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to become a certified digital marketer, even if you have zero experience. Okay. And if you stay into the end, guys, I'll show you how you can turn that certification into a profitable online business. Okay. Let's dive in. Now, let's be real. Traditional jobs, they're not as secure as they used to be, right? Layoffs are happening left and right, guys, at a very high rate, and the cost of living keeps rising. But the digital world is exploding, right? Businesses, you know, are really desperately looking for people to connect with, right? That can promote their brands, right, by marketing online, whether it's running paid ads or whether it's just marketing on social media the right way, building funnels, writing copy, managing social media pages, generate leads. Okay, the best part is you don't need a college degree to do any of that. Okay, there are programs out there with done for you products that you can promote without even creating one piece of copy, right? And without even having to build your own website. Okay, so you don't really need a degree. What you need is the right certification from the right source. Okay, and so a few years ago, I was stuck in a job that I hated, clocking in, clocking out, putting in about 50 plus hours a week, missing family dinners, and constantly asking myself, is this all there is to life, guys? Is just working and paying bills. I really want to feel like I'm fulfilling my purpose, right? And I just knew that there was something more out there for me. And so I stumbled across a free digital marketing webinar, right? They talked about affiliate marketing, lead generation, how to post on social media, how to create content, and how some people were making six figures right from their home, guys, okay, without ever having to leave the house. And this is what I was looking for. But I was skeptical. I was always tired of being broke too and burned out. So I had to make a choice, right? It's hard being broke, and it's hard, you know, getting rich and building wealth and owning your own income, right? But I'd rather choose the other hard instead of making somebody else rich. So that's why, I invested over a year ago, I invested in a digital marketing program, guys. And then within a few months, I had a thriving business where I didn't have to chase family and friends, guys. Didn't have to bug my, people that was in my circle. I didn't have to just go to my warm list, right, so to speak. I didn't have to make a list. I didn't have to DM or spam people, right? I was able to make my first post, create my first video, and then I made my first $600 online. Then I made $900. Okay. Then I made $4,800, guys. Okay. Like within 30 days. And the craziest part, I didn't have to post in Facebook groups or just post in random places, guys. I just simply use my social media, right? Simply learn how to create a social media account that attracts the right customer, that attracts your perfect customer. Okay. These skills that this program teaches you guys, businesses pay for these skills, right? So here's how you can become a certified digital marketer, guys, just like me. So there's three things you need to look for in a legit program: comprehensive training, right? Make sure it covers the fundamentals, lead generation, content creation, okay, creating, posting content like the right way, the right format that attracts people to your business, so you're not chasing it, without having to run paid ads. Okay, done for you sales funnels, right? And then how to even launch your very own brand and create a funnel. If you wanted to do that, guys, you're going to know exactly how to do all of this stuff: SEO, email marketing, how to build an email list. It's all included. But the great part about this program, guys, is they build a website for you. They create the sales funnel for you. Okay. They have an email campaign already written out for you. Okay, so it makes it very simple for the average person to get started. Okay, and so That's number one, comprehensive training. It's in there. It's included. Number two, mentorship and community. The courses are great, right? But having a mentor and a support group makes a huge difference. Okay, especially when you're stuck and you're confused, right? And so number three is it's a business model. It's a business model, right? Or a career path. It can be one or the other, right? Are they training you to get a job, start an agency, or build an affiliate business? Okay, because you need clarity on that. Okay, this program teaches you how to build a business. Okay, certification should lead somewhere, not just collect dust on your desktop. So there are platforms out there that offer all of this. Some even provide done for you systems and step-by-step coaching, right? Step-by-step coaching to get you earning faster. And no, this is not MLM, okay, or a crypto scheme. This is about building real income with real marketing skills, guys, online. Okay, so getting certified is just the first step. What you do with that certification is what changes your life. Some people take their skills and start freelancing, others launch their own brand. That's what we're going to show you how to do in this program. Many join affiliate programs and make passive income promoting digital products, guys. We also show you how to do that. Promote for done for you digital products. Okay. So I built a business that helped others do the same. And now I've helped hundreds of people escape the 9 to 5 grind using the same training that helped me. Okay. You can do the exact same thing, guys. All right. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, guys, if you want to learn how digital marketing really works and how to use it to build a real online income, guys, then I'm going to include the link in the description below. Okay. And you're going to be able to get access to a blueprint, same blueprint that I followed and started with. The one that showed me how to get certified and start earning online, guys, within 7 days. No fluff, no BS, just the real roadmap. Okay. Real roadmap. And don't forget, guys, to hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and drop a comment if you want me to cover a specific digital marketing topic in the next video, okay? Because you have two choices. You can keep scrolling, watching videos on YouTube, guys, scrolling on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and hoping something changes, or take action. Get certified and build a life on your terms, guys, okay? So when you go to the link, guys, in the description, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to put in your email address and then click that blue button that says yes, get my free blueprint. All right, guys. So that is pretty much it, guys. Until the next video, I will see you at the top, guys. Y'all have a blessed one.